Hi students, today in this volume we will discuss the questions which have been asked in previous exams of 10th standard. I will tell you how to write the answers in examination of the questions, and I will also discuss what our strategy should be to write answers properly and with authentic proof. So all these questions are going to be very important for us. First of all, I am writing some questions here for exercise of tense, and after that I will tell the answers of those questions. First example is my uncle who lives in Mumbai blank sent me a new watch last week. In this sentence there is use of last week. Last week is the adverb which is used in simple past tense. This sentence is affirmative because there is no question mark and note in the brackets. So in the affirmative sentences of simple past tense we use second form of verb, and the second form of sent is sent. So the answer of first question is sent. Next, water in the sea and on the ground constantly evaporate due to heat of the sun. This is a scientific fact, and to denote or express scientific facts we use simple present tense. Water is singular because this is uncountable, so we have to use base form plus s or es. So the answer is evaporates. Next question, I often blank play basketball after school. The use of often tells us that the sentence is related to simple present tense. In simple present tense we use base form with I, so the answer is play. Next question, Rahul and his family blank travel in America for 2 weeks now. For 2 weeks now. There are two time adverbials which have been asked in this question, for plus time and now. For plus time is used in present perfect continuous tense and now is used in continuous tense. According to the sense of this sentence, we have to give priority to present perfect continuous tense because the activity is still going on and the time has also been given to us. If activity is going on and time is mentioned, in that condition we use present perfect continuous tense. Rahul and his family is plural, and with plural we use have been in present perfect continuous tense because there are two helping verbs, has been and have been. Have been is used with plural subjects, plus we use ing form of main verb. So the answer is have been traveling. Next question, the train has not blank leave yet. There is has, and after has or have we use third form of verb, so the answer is left. Next, Nitu blank sing a song now. Now is present continuous, and to show present continuous we use ismr plus ing form of verb. Nitu is singular, so with singular we use is plus ing form of verb, that is singing. So the answer is singing. Next question. Generally I drink milk but today I drink coffee. Generally is the time adverb of simple present tense, and we know it very well that in simple present tense we use first form of verb. With I we use first form, so the answer in first blank is drink, and in next one there is a contradiction between first and second activity. This is the general task which is done of drinking milk, But the task of drinking coffee is exceptionally only for today. And to show this activity, we use present continuous tense. So the answer of second blank is I am drinking. Because in present continuous tense we use is mr helping verbs and ing form main verb. Hemant blank come here every weekend. Every plus time is the time adverb of simple present tense, and in simple present tense we use first form of verb or s or es form of verb. With similar subjects we use s or es forms of verb. So Hemant is singular, and with singular we use s or es. So the answer is comes. Next one, you blank not finish the story yet. Yet is the time adverb of present perfect tense, and in present perfect we use has, have plus third form. With plural we use have plus third form. You is plural, so we have to use here have not finished. Next question. Once upon a time there blank be a big banyan tree. Once upon a time suggests that the action is of past time, and be verb has 8 forms as you know it. But the past form of be is was and were. And a big banyan tree is singular, so with singular we use was. So the answer of first question is was. Next, Ramesh blank finished this novel last night. Last night is the time adverb of simple past tense, and in simple past tense we use second form of verb if the sentence is affirmative. This sentence is affirmative, so we have to use second form of verb, that is finished. Next one, if you run fast you blank catch the bus. This is a sentence of open condition, and in open condition we use if plus simple present tense plus simple future tense. This is the structure of open condition. If plus simple present tense plus simple future tense. After if we can see the use of first form run, that gives the meaning of simple present tense. So after simple present tense we have to use simple future tense, and in simple future tense we use shall or will helping verb plus first form of verb. With you we use will, so the answer is will catch. Next question, they blank pay their debts next week. The pronunciation of debts is debts. B remains silent here. When there is B and T together in a word, B remains silent. They pay their debts next week. Next week is the time adverb of simple future tense. In simple future tense we use shall, will plus first form. With they we use will plus first form, so the answer is will pay. Next, students blank read English at this time tomorrow. If there is at this time or at this moment plus simple future tense, in that condition this is considered future continuous tense. So the sentence is related to future continuous tense. In future continuous tense we use will be or shall be helping verb plus ing form of verb. With students we use will be plus ing of read is reading, so the answer is will be reading. If Sital blank invite me, I would have attended her party. Would have attended, there is would have plus third form of verb. This structure is used in impossible condition. The structure of impossible condition is if plus past perfect plus would have plus third form. So in the starting portion we have to use had plus third form, and the answer is had invited. Ekta was reading the newspaper when Nidhi blank her room. In brackets there is enter. Ekta was reading the newspaper when Nidhi blank her room. This is the sentence. Remember students, if there are two activities, one activity which lasts for a long time, मतलब एक एक्टिविटी ऐसी होती है जो लंबे समय तक चलती है और जो दूसरी एक्टिविटी होती है वो शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए चलती है. सो फॉर द एक्टिविटी विच लास्ट्स फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम वी यूज पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, एंड द एक्टिविटी विच lasts comparatively for short time, for that we use second form of verb. So for long action we use past continuous, and for short actions we use simple past tense. Remember this. Reading is a long process and entering a room is a short action, so we use here second form of verb. So the answer is entered. Next, the Minister of Defense blanked Dr. Kalam on the grand success of the missile. In brackets, the word is congratulate. As we all know it very well that Kalam sir has passed away. So the activity is related to simple past tense, and to denote simple past tense we use second form of verb. So the answer is congratulated. Next, Rajiv dropped his mobile when he blanked the bus board. The same approach is applied on the first question. So here the process of boarding a bus is long, so we use here past continuous tense. So the answer is was boarding, because the action of boarding a bus is comparatively longer than the dropping the mobile phone. Next question. Last Sunday when Kiran blanked food in the kitchen, one of her friends came to visit her. There is also the same approach is applied. Cooking is a long action, and for long actions we use past continuous tense. So the answer is was cooking. Please avoid blank here. It is library, in brackets stock. After first form of verb we use ing form of verb. If there is any verb form after that, either we use ing form of verb or 2 plus first form of verb, but ing form of verb is given priority according to our examination. But there is a slightest difference between the use of ing form of verb or 2 plus first form of verb. It will be discussed in the next volume. So after avoid we have to use ing form of verb. Remember it. After mind, avoid, these are some words after which we have to use ing form of main verb. Nitu blank her painting before she went to market. In brackets complete. There is a structure, and the structure is related to past perfect tense. Past perfect plus before plus simple past tense, and simple past plus after plus past perfect tense. Here the structure first is applied, so the answer is had completed. Before we have to use past perfect, and after before we have to use second form of main verb. Next question. We blank see a big snake on the ground while we were cleaning it. There are two actions. One action is related to see something, and next action is related to clean something. Cleaning something is a long action, and to express long actions we use past continuous tense, and to explain or express short actions we use simple past tense. To see something is a short action, so we use a second form of main verb. So the answer is so. Next one. The date of examination has been declared, so the students blank prepare for it these days. The adverb which has been used in this sentence is these days, and we know it very well that these days is used in present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we use ismr plus ing form of main verb. Students is plural, so with plural subjects we use are plus ing form of prepare is preparing. So the answer is are preparing. Next question. The farmer blank divided his property among his sons before he died. The structure of past perfect tense is used here. Simple past tense plus after plus past perfect, or past perfect plus before plus simple past tense. These are two structures which are used in past perfect tense. After before there is the use of second form of main verb. So before we have to use past perfect tense, and in past perfect tense we use had plus third form of main verb. So the answer is had divided. Next question. The principal blank distribute the annual prizes tomorrow. Tomorrow is the time adverb of simple future tense, and in simple future tense we use shall with I and we, and will with remaining subjects. The principal is not first person, so we have to use here will plus first form of main verb. So the answer is will distribute. Most of the people blank worship God daily before taking tea. The time adverb which has been used in this sentence is daily, and daily represents simple present tense. In simple present tense we use first form of main verb or s or as form of main verb. With plural subjects we use first form, and the subject is most of the people, that is plural, and with plural subjects we use first form of main verb. So the answer is worship. Next one. When the train started we blank stayed in the field. This approach has been discussed if there are two actions, one is short action and one is long action. So for long actions we use past continuous tense, and for short actions we use simple past tense. Started is short action and stand is a long action. To express long action we have to use past continuous tense, and in past continuous tense we use two helping verbs, was or were. Was is used with singular subjects and were is used with plural subjects. We is plural, so with we have to use were plus ing form of main verb. So the answer is were standing. So this is a structure which is asked frequently. You are supposed to learn it. Next question. The postman blank deliver the post by 11 a.m. every day. This is a habitual action, and to express habitual actions we use simple present tense. Don't be confused by the term by 11 a.m. because by plus time is used in future perfect tense, and this sentence is not related to future perfect tense, and this action expresses the routine action of the postman. So we have to write answer in simple present tense. In simple present tense we use first form of main verb or s or es form of main verb. Postman is singular. With singular subjects we use s or es with the first form of main verb. So the answer is delivers. Next question. While the doctor blank examined the patient, there was an uproar in the hall. There are also two actions. One is long action and second one is short action. To express long action we have to use past continuous tense, and to express short actions or state we use simple past tense. There was an uproar in the hall. This is the state of past tense, and to show state of past tense we use was or were. There is the use of was. So the answer is was examining. Next one, Priyanka blank begin to live in this locality recently. Recently is used in present perfect tense. So the answer is has plus third form of main verb, has begun. Because recently is present perfect tense, and in present perfect tense we use has or have plus third form of main verb. Next question, tomorrow is a holiday. The offices blank remain closed. In simple future tense we use shall or will. With first person means with I or we use shall, and with remaining subjects will is used. So the offices is not first person, so we have to use here will plus first form of main verb. So the answer is will remain. In her youth she blank spent hours standing before the mirror. In her youth, this is the phrase which suggests us that the action is related to past time. And standing before the mirror is the habit of this person. And to express the habit of past tense we have three ways. Either we can use used to model or would model, and last one is second form of main verb, means simple past tense. So simple past tense is also used to show the habit of past tense. This is the habit of past tense, so we have to use second form of main verb, that is spent. So the answer of second question is spent. Next question, the pilot came down after the plane blank land. In this sentence a structure is used, and the structure is related to past perfect tense. In past perfect tense we use two structures. These two structures are really very important for us because frequently questions are asked from these two structures. First structure is past perfect plus before plus simple past, and next one is simple past plus after plus past perfect tense. In this one the structure is simple past plus after plus past perfect. So after we have to use had plus third form. The answer is had landed, because in past perfect tense we use had plus third form of main verb. Next one, Vivek with his friend Imtiaz go to Indore by the night bus today. In this sentence the sense of time is of future. So the time mentioned in this sentence is of future. We can consider two answers in this question. Either we can use simple future tense because this action is going to happen or take place in future time, and next one it may be a planning, and to show planning we use present continuous tense. So the answer is will go or is going. Both the answers are equally correct. Next question, India blank gained freedom in 1947. In plus past time indicates the time of past. So in this sentence we use simple past tense, and simple past tense contains second form of main verb in affirmative sentences. So the answer of first one is got, because second form of get is got. Next one, we blank play a friendly match tomorrow. Tomorrow is simple future tense, and in simple future tense we use shall or will helping verb plus first form of main verb. With I and we use shall, and with remaining subjects will is used. So the answer is shall play, because with we use shall plus first form of main verb. Next one, in ancient time, people blank travel on foot. In ancient time, this is the phrase which expresses past time. And to express past time, we have simple past tense. So the answer is traveled, because in simple past tense we use second form of main verb if the sentence is affirmative. So this was the exercise related to present, past, future tense. In next volume we will discuss about modals.